City Coco, we have 1500 watts brushless motor and a 6-volt battery. The standard max speed on EEC is 45 kilometers per hour. All the battery pack on our City Coco is easy to be detached for recharging. And we have key lock on this one. You can see, okay, first you can see the battery is locked here, so you cannot take it off. So let me take off the battery first. Let me take the plug out. Let's make okay. This now you can see easy to take the battery off here. So we can take the battery off for charging upstairs, and especially for the customer they are doing the rental business, they can buy extra pieces of battery pack, so they can still run this City Coco while the other battery pack is charging here. So let me install this battery pack off here. And lock it back here. Okay, very easy and firm. Another good part on this City Coco here, we have installed a lock, a front fork lock here. Let me show you how to lock this. Here is a lock here. I have a key here, just lock it here. So you cannot move it. You cannot move it. I mean, you cannot move the direction here. So it's unlocked here. See? Let's have a close look here on the key lock. See here. So the front fork is locked. You cannot move it. It's very easy and simple. On the EEC approved City Coco, the most concern is on safety. So we must have all requested parts on this City Coco. First is about the light signals. We have a front big light here with a close and far beam, and also the turning.